Alright, let's get real. Dating can feel like a wild jungle sometimes. You swipe, you chat, you overthink every emoji, and somewhere along the way you're just hoping to find someone who gets you. So today I'm breaking down how to date mate actually find fulfillment, step by step. First, let's talk about dating. It's not about finding the one in record time. It's about learning what makes you happy and what doesn't. So before you even start, ask yourself, what do I want from this? A serious relationship? Something casual? Making new friends? Be honest with yourself, because clarity is your best friend. Don't try to be someone you're not. Authenticity is magnetic. If you love cheesy Bollywood songs or you're obsessed with cricket stats, own it. The right person will vibe with the real you, not your highlight reel. Let's move to the next step, mating. It's not just about physical chemistry, it's about real connection. Take your time to build trust. Ask questions, listen, share stories. Don't rush intimacy. Build comfort and respect. If things don't work out, don't take it personally. Dating is a journey, not a race. Every experience teaches you something. About love, about people, about yourself. Let go of the pressure to be perfect. Laugh at your awkward moments. Everyone's figuring it out, just like you. Now let's talk fulfillment. Real fulfillment isn't a picture-perfect relationship. Feel good in your own skin. Single dating in a relationship. Invest in your passions. Spend time with friends. Love yourself first. When you're happy with who you are, you attract the right people. Take it slow. Have fun. Trust the right connection will come when you're ready. Remember, dating isn't just about finding someone. It's about finding yourself too. Go out there. Be brave. Enjoy the adventure. You've got this.